guys, welcome back to my new video. In today's video I solve this step. First of all, copy this password, open cloud console in private window, click on next and paste the password, click on next, click on I understand and click this checkbox, agree and continue. Now activate cloud shell, maximize it, click on continue. Now what you have to do, go to tasks, click on task 1, copy this first command, go to cloud shell, control V, hit enter, click authorize, done. Again go to task, copy the second command to unzip the file, control V, hit enter, done. Go to task 3, copy this first command, go to cloud shell, control V, hit enter, done. Again go to task, copy the second command, go to cloud shell, control V, hit enter, is done. Copy this third command and go to cloud shell, control V, hit enter. Now go to tasks, scroll down, check my progress for task 3 is done. Now in this lab, see you in next video. Still and bye.